Hello my babies. Welcome back to another video. In this video today, I'm going to be trying some Greg Doucette. Oh my god, wait. I should not lean over like that. It's a bit much. I'm just gonna do this. Just gonna casually stand like this. Alright, so anyways, today we're gonna be testing out some Greg Doucette recipes from his Anabolic Cookbook 2.0. I'm just gonna be doing the ones that he put on his channel. We're going to be doing 2 muffin recipes and 1 of the popcorn recipes. So let's get into it, folks, shall we? First things first, gotta change into my apron. There we go.
And the swole comment of the day is this comment right here. For your chance to be featured in the next swole comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment below.
Let's get out our ingredients, shall we? Ow. That's not everything. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. This is not happening. What the f? I still don't have a muffin pan. I could have sworn I had a muffin pan. Okay, this is getting old even for me. Instead of muffins, we're gonna make a muffin cake. It's the same shit, right? It's fine. It'll work out just fine, I promise you. So we're gonna start with the muffin recipe. I think carrot and blueberry sounds like an odd combo. Maybe, is that just me? I don't know. I feel like it's kind of an odd combo, but we're gonna give it a try. Oh yeah, I have to get the carrots out. All right, so first thing I have to preheat the oven to 337 degrees, which I think is a very odd and very specific number, but I'm not gonna question Coach Greg. I'm not gonna question the Anabolic Lord. I would never do that. So what did he say? I already forget. 337 degrees, preheat the oven, done. So let me get out my scale because I know I say this every time, but I genuinely want to have like an honest, good review of these recipes without me fucking everything up. 190 grams of oat flour, and I need my blender. That means I have to wash it. I don't really want to wash it. I'm just gonna use the Ninja. Coach Greg would really want me to use the Ninja anyways. I don't know how to measure this because I feel like it's gonna be less. Once it's grinded up, it's gonna weigh less. You feel me? I don't know. We'll see. I measure out 190 grams. Holy shit, I feel like that's gonna be a lot. Let's just like pour a bunch of this shit in.
Whoa.
Oh my god, that's a lot. That's probably enough. I hope. I really hope that's enough. Pour it all in there. Where's the lid? The lid.
The lid.
Alright, that should be good enough. It smells kind of weird, so I hope everything's okay in there. Let's see if it measures out to 190 grams. It's like 177, but that's close enough, right? Right. Where's the lid?
The lid.
Here it is. Alright, so next he says to add, I think it was 3 scoops of protein, but that sounds like a lot. I don't really want to use that much. I'm so terrible. This is why every recipe comes out fucked. But I'm just gonna use 2 scoops and fingers crossed. This is also a vegan protein, so I hope that that's okay. Uno, due, che bella. Listen, I swear to God, if you have even a tiny little milligram of something on your thumb reader on your iPhone is like,
who the fuck are you? Who are you? I do not recognize this thumb.
It's so ridiculous. So next I need to add a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a teaspoon of baking soda. So let's do it. I don't know if I have a teaspoon, but what's this? This is a tablespoon. This is half of a tablespoon. So if I fill this up like 3/4 of the way, I don't know. I have no idea how much of the way, but if I just fill it up a little bit, I think it'll count as a teaspoon, right? Right, yeah, just say yes. Oh, that seems like a lot, not that much. Here's the cinnamon. I feel like it needs more. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I fucking love cinnamon. I love this shit. What else did he say? Oh yeah, baking soda. Teaspoon of baking soda. I got baking soda. How's that? How's that look? Like, that looks good? Yeah, that looks great. Kosher salt. I used this in my French toast video. I never thought I would use it again, but here I am using it again, so that's good. And then let's do like that much. Yeah. If Coach Greg is watching this, he's probably gonna be pissed. He's gonna be like, if you don't measure out the recipes correctly, it's gonna be freaking worse than last time. That's probably what he would say. So now I'm gonna start with my Hello Kitty spatula while I'm wearing my Hello Kitty apron with my Hello Kitty toaster in the background. Can you see that? If you would like any of these Hello Kitty items, the link is in the description. You can use my Amazon affiliate links, and those links help support my channel. So really appreciate it if you use those links. All right, how do you stir this shit? This is so weird to stir. Should suffice, right? So now we have to do how many grams? 180 grams of egg whites. 134. Good thing I bought more. Why are these so hard to open? Is it just me? Come on, we can do it. There we go. 180 84. That'll be just fine. And then we gotta do 185 grams of unsweetened applesauce. I don't even remember if this is unsweetened, but I don't really care. I prefer it to be sweet anyways, just like me. What are we doing? 185 grams of this shit. I bought these applesauces a long time ago when I made, I forget who, it might have been like Remington James recipe. And every time somebody comes over, they're like, are you 80 years old? Why do you have f***ing applesauce? Okay, now I have to put an apple in there. These apples have been in my fridge for quite some time. They're a little bit wrinkly, but I'm sure it'll be just fine, right? We don't discriminate against wrinkly apples in this house. You've got to cut it. You guys remember that song? Oh, I forgot to tear it. Oh well, it'll be fine. You guys know how scales work, right? Like you tear it and then it turns the number to 0. That way you can measure something without the other thing that you measured previously being added to that number. Does that make sense? But I forgot to do that, so I have no idea how many grams of apples that was. Okay, so I'm supposed to do 200 grams of shredded carrots. Do you think it matters if they're shredded? I just thought of like carrots with abs. Wait, these kind of are carrots with abs. If anything, I feel like this is a shredded carrot. Look at that 6-pack this carrot has. It's just so funny thinking about carrots being like, bro, I'm trying to get shredded. I don't know. That's funny to me. I'm just gonna leave them the way they are because I'd say they're pretty ripped. You know what I mean? Alright, that's 200 grams of carrots. Let's put the rest of these shredders over here. They probably do like an hour of cardio every week. I'm sorry, I'm done. And wait, did I say an hour of cardio every week? I meant every day. And now we will just add some vanilla extract. That much. That should be great. Actually, I want to put a little more. Alright. So now we're gonna mix it up and probably make a huge mess and add some sweetener in there. I have a confession, my camera did that thing just now where it cuts off and I have no idea where it stops. So I don't know what you missed, but let's continue, shall we? Oh, so they're starting to make the other muffins now? And remember when I said I was gonna do 2? I was gonna do the, which ones am I doing right now? I don't even know which ones I'm making. I'm making the apple carrot one right now. Oh, wait a second. It's apple and carrot, not carrot and blueberry. No wonder that sounded so weird. Apple and carrot sounds a little bit more like that would go together. I must confess, I'm gonna just make the apple carrot ones. I know I said I was gonna make the blueberry ones, but I didn't realize that it was gonna take like all my egg whites, my entire thing of protein powder. I don't think I have enough ingredients to make both recipes in this video, so I'm sorry. I hope it doesn't let you down. Let's just get on to finishing the apple carrot ones, shall we? So we're gonna mix this in with this, I think. Oh, this is gonna be good. I have a feeling this is gonna be bomb as Oh no, I just realized something. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna be really disappointed in me. Because I know I said I was gonna make the popcorn recipe too. I just realized I forgot to buy popcorn at the store. I am so sorry. Well, sorry. I will make the popcorn and the blueberry muffins in the future. I pinky promise. You can take my word for it. Alright, I think that is mixed sufficiently. Wouldn't you agree? Now we put it in a giant ass pan because we're gonna make a muffin cake. I don't know. I don't know what this video is anymore. It started off, well, it actually didn't start off well. It's fine. Alright, we're gonna grease this bitch up and then we're gonna put this right in here just like that. Dude, this looks bomb. I'm really excited. I hope it turns out good. Please turn out good. Anabolic gods, I beg of you. I think this might cook a little bit too weird for it to come out like exactly right, but we did our best and we're just gonna roll with it. Let's just pop it on in the oven, shall we? That's really freaking hot. I hate when the, oh my god, I almost just passed out because I'm being dramatic. I didn't almost pass out. I should calm down. Alright, so I'm gonna let that cook, bake, whatever, for, let's do like 10 minutes and then we'll come back and check up on it and we'll see how this goes. Alright, so it looks like it is finished. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think? Good? No? I don't know. We're gonna try it and find out. I feel like it needs something. Low key. The lowest key. I'm gonna put syrup on this. I know it's not sugar-free or whatever. It's not Walnut Farms, but hey, it's okay, right? Let's try it with some syrup on it. It's so weird to eat muffins with syrup, but that's fine. It's something I would do. It's very me. Tastes pretty good with the syrup. It's like you're eating French toast, but not really. It kind of does taste like French toast, a little bit. I gotta say, it's pretty bomb. I give it, on the Mama Swole slap scale, I give it a 7 on the slap scale. Shit slaps. This shit slaps.
This shit slaps.
What in the heck does that mean? Am I that freaking old? This shit slaps.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm very sorry that I said I was gonna do all this shit and then I didn't do it, but I will do it one day, I promise. So comment below the word muffin. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like. Subscribe to join the Swole Squad. If you'd like to support me on Patreon for just $2 a month, that's it. Just $2. Then the link is in the description. Shout out to all my patrons. And if you would like to get some Mama Swole merch, the link is also in the description. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good ass day.